Hey, Elsa, where are you guys? Come on. I found it here, but where are you? Is nobody here? Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Oh,
hello
here you
everyone.
are.
You looking for me?
Come on, where are you guys?
I'm just hiding.
Are you hiding
Yeah,
me?
because there's a giant lizard here. A
Oh,
T-Rex, you know.
T-Rex?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding. It's going to that way, you know.
Oh, that way?
Because
Like,
we- we're in Jurassic Park, guys.
oh, you are
Yeah, we're in the
just...
middle of nowhere.
Oh my god.
Let's go there if you
Yeah,
want to know.
yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right.
It's really
Oh, it's
large,
very,
right?
very
Oh gosh.
bushy.
Yeah.
It looks like a jungle.
Yeah, of course it's jungle in the middle of nowhere, you know.
Oh, yeah.
So I have a promise to you, right?
Yeah.
About
What
making
is it?
something. It's pretty. It will be really, really interesting, guys.
What is that?
It's still a fertilizer, of course.
About fertilizer?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
You didn't get
curious.
bored, right?
Yeah, I'm not never bored about fertilizer, because I need it.
You need it and you got the new knowledge every day, right?
Yeah, that's new knowledge for me.
That's why, guys, if you're new to this channel,
Mm-hmm.
just check out the previous video and subscribe because we upload almost every day and all of our video is educational and
Oh,
makes your knowledge grow even more.
oh yeah.
That's right.
So, what will you make it this time?
Let me think it first. Oh no, we can make something.
Oh yeah.
Now we're gonna make something
What is that?
about fertilizer, of course.
Yeah, what fertilizer? What kind of fertilizer that you want to
I
make it?
think you're already really, really interested with it
Yeah.
because I hypnotize you, you know. So
Okay.
you'll feel a lot of enthusiasm in your
Yeah.
body, in your soul.
You know what? Because you always make an organic. That's
That's
why I'm so curious,
Because-
guys.
What if I use chemicals in it?
Oh, I don't think so that I'm interested.
That's right. Because this channel only specializes on an organic fertilizer, guys.
Oh yeah.
I can promise that in this channel we not gonna use a chemicals fertilizer because that
Oh.
will be bad for our mother nature
Yeah.
and the result it will be not maximal.
Oh, yeah.
Will be not maximal, guys.
Okay. So, can you spell it to
Okay,
me?
come here. I think you can wait it any longer,
Yeah.
right? I have already prepared it, all of it here.
Oh, that's the material that you want to make it.
That's right. All of it here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Where
So
is it?
we're gonna mix it in this plastic, guys,
Oh yeah.
because we didn't have any chocolate bottle here.
Oh my God.
So we're gonna use it.
You can use it
Of course, we can use it.
as a place to make an organic or
That's right.
fertilizer.
That's right. The first ingredient is this one.
What is it?
If you know cassava,
Cassava, yeah, no?
like in the previous video, I
Yeah.
show you about cassava
Yeah,
to be fuel,
yeah.
but now it's a fermented cassava
Fermented cassava.
Yeah. with
Oh.
bacterium of Cytobacillus
Cytobacillus.
cerevisiae
Cerevisiae, okay.
for fermenting this cassava here.
Oh, I think it's content food too because there is a hard carbohydrate there.
That's right. It contains the carbohydrate here. And you know what? Cytobacillus cerevisiae
Mhm.
is not bacterium, is a fungi that eat carbohydrate.
Oh, I see now.
That's
Oh, you're so
Is that-
smart, guys.
We got 1 kilo here.
Yeah. A kilo of cassava fermented.
That's right. A kilo
Let me see.
fermented cassava here.
Oh,
And the smell,
and what will you make it with that kind of things?
I want to make
The
Tea.
smell is very nice.
very nice, like
Make-
a wine, right?
Mm-hmm.
I want to make BEL,
BEL.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
BAL, or Bacterium acid lactate.
Bacteria?
Yeah.
Acid?
Or acid, like not acid bacterium.
Oh, yeah, I see. What is the function?
The
If
function,
we applicate this
We
kind
applicate
of
it in order.
fertilizer to our plant?
of course, the first thing first, it will kill
Mm-hmm.
the bad bacterium because this one is a probiotic, guys.
Oh.
So we use it to kill the different cell of our bad bacterium in our plant.
Oh, this is the function of ball.
That's right.
Bacteria
And also,
assimilated.
it can kill all the bad bacterium in the soil.
Oh, I see. Oh, it's very good.
You can catch it there, right?
Yeah, I can
Here.
catch the idea. So, how can you make it, guys?
You are really interested with it, right?
Yeah,
Come here.
because we don't need anything, just only a plastic.
That's right, the plastic here. The first one,
Yeah,
you still remember it?
yeah.
It's a yogurt, right?
Yogurt.
It
Yeah, I know.
contains a lot of probiotic that we need
Oh,
for,
so it can be as a decomposer.
yeah, decomposer, that's right.
Oh
So
my.
the function of it is we want to grow a good probiotic, or not a good, but a probiotic that can kill some bad bacterium in our plant.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I
That's
see.
the main
So
function
we
of
need a
this.
bacterium acid like that.
That's right.
Oh yeah.
And also it's pretty good for your cuts, guys. You can eat, drink it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's many in the store. We get
Okay.
it. We just need to put it like
You want
this.
to put it there?
Yeah.
Is it safe? The plastic is?
It's safe, of course.
Oh.
It's really safe because it didn't have any acidic in it. So it's safe.
Oh, it's safe, right?
But
And
second
what
one,
about the water?
it's not a normal water, you know.
Oh, what is that?
It's a coconut water.
Coconut water?
That's right.
Oh,
Maybe most of you already taste coconut before,
yeah,
but it's really good for making a fertilizer. You see,
yeah.
we mix it here like this. Just put it.
Oh, yeah, that's great. Oh, it's easy to make it.
It's really easy.
Bacteria acid lactate, you know?
That's right. You catch the idea really quick.
Yeah.
And after that, we're gonna mix it, guys. Just do like this.
Oh.
Wait, I think
Oh,
it's puncturing your
no.
wood. But I have already.
No.
No, it's already doing feel. Wait, I need to pick up my truck there.
Yeah,
Can you hold it?
yeah.
Hold it like
Let
this.
me hold it.
Wait
Hold
there.
it. Okay then.
I'll be
Hey
here.
guys.
I'll be there in a couple of minutes.
Oh my god. This guy is so smart. He used anything to make a fertilizer that he said. He this what's called bacteria acid lactate. Oh no. This guy's so smart, you know guys. Oh, it's take a long time. Can you get that, Lisa?
Yes, that's. Wait, I need to get the truck of bottle.
Can you get it? Oh my god.
We ran off from the bottle truck, you know.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So we're gonna use the plastic, you know.
Okay.
But wait, I need a secondary plastic here.
Okay.
We ran out of the water truck, guys.
Yeah.
We make a many fertilizer for it.
Yeah. Oh.
We just mix it like
The
this.
important thing is not a leak.
Yeah, it's
The
not
water.
leaking.
Okay.
Or even you can put your hand here,
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
so it's more easier.
And what the other ingredient, guys?
The ingredient is the activator of it.
What is that?
It's the food for the bacteria.
Oh.
You can use a normal sugar. But
Yeah.
I recommend you to use of course, like always use,
Yeah.
you know, it's molasses.
Molasses. And what is that button?
It's a chocolate milk.
Oh, chocolate
No, no,
milk.
no, no.
Oh my god.
I'm kidding, man.
Are you kidding me?
Of course I'm kidding. Wait a minute. I need a water jug.
Yeah, it's okay. The important thing is we'll be mix it first and then we get another place too.
That's great idea. It's already being mixed like this, right?
Oh yeah.
So the next one is we're adding the chocolate milk here.
Chocolate milk. Oh yeah, it's look like a chocolate, you know.
But in fact it's not chocolate.
What is that?
It's called lurry.
Lurry?
Yeah, or it's an extract from rice grain that we already
Oh.
grinded, like in the previous
And-
video,
Yeah.
and it contains vitamin B12.
Oh. Oh. Oh, it's changing color, you know, guys.
Black and white. Like
Oh.
we must always tolerate to other ethnic guys.
Yeah.
Like in the song "We Are the World."
Okay.
That's a song about a peace, right? About
Yeah.
helping for Africa.
Yeah. And that's all?
Yeah, it's all. It's all the main ingredients here, guys. But this
Oh,
one is the activator for it.
activator?
Yeah, it's the food for the bacteria.
Oh, and we don't need about EM4 for that?
We didn't need because we already use Yakult for it
Oh,
or
yeah,
yogurt
yeah,
for it.
yeah. Yogurt for it is that got content of microorganism, right?
Okay, Yakult. If you see this video, please sponsor
Yogurt.
us because I
Yeah,
already mentioned your product there.
yeah.
Oh my god, it's full.
Oh, yeah.
If you already too much when you have some, I forgot it. Like this. You use your feeling, guys.
Yeah. The important thing that get enough food for the
That's
microorganism,
right.
right?
You didn't need any measurement for it because you already use a feeling.
Yeah.
And now we mix it.
Oh, and then you really place it to the a good container.
That's great.
After that,
Of course, I will replace it on a good container and we gonna ferment it, guys.
oh yeah. And how long is it been fermented?
Just 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah,
And after that, we can applicate it.
that's right. And
Can use it.
that's right. And in the next video, guys, I want to show you the application for it and what what this kind of fermented fertilizer do to your plant.
Yeah.
So I will show you in the next video, guys. Oh my god. After it, I will put it in a proper container, not like
Yeah.
this. It's a
Okay.
plastic bag. And also it's ruining the environment, I guess.
Okay.
Oh, but you know, guys, loving in nature is such a hobby
Oh yeah.
that can make your life more calmer,
Yeah.
and you will respect nature more. You will respect anybody more.
Yeah.
Before, look at it.
That's right.
It's done,
And
right?
that's done.
Yeah, it's done.
Oh my gosh.
How easy this,
How
guys?
easy to make a bacteria
It's
acid
not like that.
lactate.
Lactate or like that. That's it.
Okay.
You already got my point there.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, guys, the cameraman is more smarter than me now.
Oh yeah, of course. Thank you guys.
You know what? It have a dosage.
Oh,
Yeah. For watering,
yeah.
300 milliliters per 15 liters of water.
Oh, that's for watering.
For watering. And
All
for
right.
spraying,
For spraying?
250 milliliters per 15 liters of water.
Oh,
That's the dosage, guys. So now we're gonna wait for the fermentation.
yeah.
We're gonna give you the update for it.
Yeah.
We'll see you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you.